Pasquale. Let's hear it.
How do you affix a broken pizza?
Pizzas can't be broken.
I don't know.
We give up, Pasquale. How do you fix a broken pizza?
With a tomato paste.
Yep. This is high-quality entertainment right here, folks.
And on that note, I think it's time for another song.
Roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like this but a dream. Roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like this but a dream.
You gotta roll your boat anytime you can. You don't need a strategy or a master plan. Just set out to see how far you go. You just get in that thing, my friend, and row. You can roll your boat in the ocean. Just set sail when you get the notion. You may get wet, but don't worry about that. Being in a boat is where it's at. Roll your boat.
Roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like this but a dream. Roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like this but a dream.
Floating your boat to the north, you see. It's such a cool thing for you and me. The dodge icebergs and rope in the sun. Being in a boat is so much fun. Get in the water and float around. Cast your boat off solid ground. Having the time of your life, you know. You just get in that boat, my friend, and roll. Float around like you're running out of time. Sinking money, nickels, and some dimes. Go to the store and buy the boat you need. Baby blue, yellow, orange, red, and neon green. Go by yourself or maybe with a friend. So much fun, let the games begin. Having the time of your life, you know. You just get in that boat, my friend, and roll.
Roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like this but a dream. Roll your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 like this but a dream.
Roll your boat. Run around. Roll your boat. Roll your boat. Now we go.
That brings back memories from when I was a young pup on the rowing team.
Wow, I didn't know you were on a rowing team.
Oh, yeah. And we would clean up every year at the finals.
So you guys came in first place, huh?
No, we got dead last. It's just, we'd clean up, as in we decided to finally take a bath. You see, we thought it would be really good luck if we went the whole season and didn't bathe. In the end, I'm not so sure it was a good idea. All the flies that were buzzing around our heads is what caused us to lose the race. But anyways, what were we talking about? I lost my train of thought.
Speaking of a cleaning, I should have probably go clean up the kitchen. Preparing a Munch's pizza left quite a mess.
Before you clean it all up, do you think you might be able to whip me up another pizza?
Munch!
Okay, just a small pizza then.
Oh, yeah, right, like you're gonna do just a small pizza. That'll be the day.
Folks, we're gonna take a quick break. If you haven't tried our new pizza yet, I suggest you give it a shot. Let us know what you think, and we'll be back in just a little bit. Hasta la vista.
Hasta la pasta.
Hasta la pizza.
Hasta la blah blah.
You boys are so silly. Bye-bye, everyone.